In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your job title in Claude. Setting your job title helps Claude tailor its answers, examples, and tone to match the kind of work you do, so you get more relevant suggestions right from the start. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few tips along the way. Begin by opening Claude in your browser and making sure you're signed in. On the main screen, look toward the lower left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile or account avatar there. Click that profile area to open your account menu. This is where you'll find options related to your account and app preferences. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a dedicated settings page where you can adjust how Claude behaves and how it recognizes your role. If you don't immediately see settings, look for a small gear icon. Either will take you to the same place. Once you're in settings, make sure you're viewing the General section. This is typically the default view, and it's where Claude keeps high-level options that affect your overall experience. On the General page, scroll until you find the section labeled What Best Describes Your Work. This is the area that lets you set your job title or role so Claude can better understand your context. Now choose the job title that best matches what you do. In many cases, you'll see a list or a set of options you can click. Don't worry if the choices aren't an exact match. Pick the one that's closest. You can always come back and update this later if your role changes, or if you find a better fit. Selecting your job title helps Claude adapt the kinds of examples it uses, the jargon it leans on or avoids, and the level of detail it provides. After you've made your selection, click on Save Changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your selection won't apply. Once saved, you may see a brief confirmation, or the Save button may become inactive to indicate everything's set. If the Save button appears grayed out, double-check that you actually selected an option. That's it. You've added your job title in Claude. From now on, your conversations should feel more aligned with your role. Whether that means more technical depth, clearer business context, or examples tailored to your field. And remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune your selection as your work evolves. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more personalized experience with Claude.